Indoor plants in mugs. What are the plants that you can grow in mugs, and what are the indoor plants that best fitting into old coffee mugs? So today I will be covering up about which are the plants that will suit for the mugs. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's Garden. When we are doing gardening, we have to reuse items available in the kitchen. So when you have old coffee mugs, do not throw away. You can use them in your indoor plants decoration. How to use them? So use them with a little bit of soil, with little bit of compost, and also you can use cocoa peat as the potting mix. So when you are using these planters, first make a hole in the end, or else you can use them without holes as well. So I have done a video about that. I will put the link in the description. So the first plant that fits into these beautiful coffee mugs are these spider plants. I have two mugs which are containing these beautiful spider plants. This is one, and this small one also another one. So here I have some wandering Jew also very easy to grow. They are also very beautiful colorful plants. You can have them also in these coffee mugs, easy to maintain. And also these plants that I have suggested in the video, all are indoor plants, very easy to maintain, and also they are permanent. So the other plant is this wandering Jew also a low maintenance plant and a permanent plant, a beginner gardener's plant as well. So you can grow them in these mugs. Next plant is beautiful pothos plants. Pothos plants fit into these mugs very easily. You can use them as a decorative item for your kitchen or else in your living room. So have these pothos plants also in your coffee mugs planters. Pothos plants also love the shade, and they are also permanent and low maintenance, so very easy to grow them in the coffee mugs. There are many varieties of pothos plants. You can select out of them whatever the variety you like. So I have selected the neon pothos. They are very colorful and beautiful, so elegant, so you can easily use them as a decorative item in a living room or else in your kitchen. Next beautiful plant is sansevieria. This is also low maintenance. You can water them once in a week when the layer of the soil is dried. So these are low maintenance and permanent plants, and also very easy to maintain. So the next plant that fit into these mugs are the syngonium plants. These are dwarf syngonium. So I have put it in this coffee mug. This particular part of the coffee mug is broken. Here you can see the handle of the coffee mug is broken, so I have used it in my indoor gardening. So this is another best suggestion for your coffee mug planters. I put a small stem cutting of jade in the next coffee mug. They also doesn't need much care, much fertilizer, or they are permanent as well and low maintenance, so you can grow these jade plants also in mugs. They also fit into small planters, very easy to grow and maintain. So put these particular jade plants also in coffee mug planters. This is a variety of peperomia magnolifolia. Friends, I have to find that name from the Google. So these plants also are best indoor plants. They also love the shade and less watering, so they will do best indoor plants. So put them in these particular coffee mugs. And I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider to subscribe to Tamara's Garden. Coffee mug planters part 2 will be coming soon. If you are new, consider to subscribe, and part 2 will be about caring for these coffee mug planters plants. So I will be explaining you about how to care for them in the part 2. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.